Hi guys, my name is Caroline Kinsman and I'm the current president of the PRSSA here at EKU. So this is a little presentation to talk to you a little bit about recruiting and exactly what PRSSA is. So let's get right in. So what exactly is the PRSSA? I know that a lot of you all may have never heard of it before. So we were founded in 1967 and PRSSA stands for the Public Relations Student Society of America. So PRSSA is the foremost organization for students interested in public relations and communications. So you do not just have to be a PR major to participate in PRSSA. We advocate rigorous academic standards for public relations education and the highest ethical principles and diversity in the profession. So why exactly would this be a great opportunity for you as a student? So PRSSA can help you gain the experience and practical knowledge that employers are seeking. They offer intern listings, competitions, scholarships, awards, and leadership opportunities. In addition, PRSSA provides publications, news, and social media to keep you updated on industry trends. So, member benefits. The PRSSA can connect you to a network of peers and professionals who will become lifelong friends and mentors. We can facilitate the development of valuable relationships with future colleagues through PRSSA national and regional events, PRSSA chapters, and social media. We also provide the opportunity to meet current professionals. Now that's a big one. Through your PRSSA sponsored chapter, the champions for PRSSA, or by searching the PRSA member directory. That's also a big one. I'll talk about it here in a second. As a PRSSA member, you can use the PRSA Job Center and PRSSA Intern Center to find public relations employment opportunities all over the world. You also may join PRSSA for just $60 a year as an associate member when you graduate, connecting you to 110 chapters, 16 professional interest sections, and industry resources. So a little bit about that PRSSA Internship Center and the Job Center. You can use that to search people within your profession and reach out to them, potentially giving you connections that you could really need as a senior. So right now, here's the membership information for you to become a member here at EKU for the next year. So they're doing a deal where your dues are 25% off, so they'd only be $41.25. And each meeting, there's going to be a speaker, workshop, or other PR-related event. So we're having 4 meetings for this semester. February 9th at 5, that's going to be our initial meeting, and we would absolutely love to see every single one of you all there. March 9th at 5, April 13th at 5, and April 27th at 5. So at each one of these, there'll either be a speaker or a workshop or something to make you a better PR practitioner. So finally, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. I would love to see every single one of y'all at meeting, or at least reach out about this amazing opportunity. So there at the bottom, I'm the president, Caroline Kinsman. That is my personal phone number. Please do not hesitate to text me, email me, anything you need. I'd love to answer your questions. There's also our vice president, Sydney. She's amazing. Do not hesitate to reach out. Or our social media correspondent. There's also our advisor, Professor Gleason, and there's his email as well if you have any questions. I would love to see you all come out, and I really hope to see you all soon. Thank you so much.